Here's a quick and easy guide to create an account with Tcube Mass Mail. First type massmail.co.in on your browser. Then click on Start your free campaign today. Now fill all the required details for signing up. Now give a mail ID and set new password. Check the mail ID which you have given and click on Verify. After that, click on Sign in. Now enter the mail ID and password for signing in. Now you have successfully created an account. In this way you can create an account with Tcube Mass Mail. In our next video we will explain you about how to create an email campaign with Tcube Mass Mail. Thank you for watching.